VibroCut and Siemens have forged a powerful relationship to revolutionize CNC technology. How? By combining specialized cutting expertise with leading control systems. And we're here at EMOR 2025, just opposite the Siemens booth, here at the VibroCut booth. And I'm glad to be joined by the CEO of VibroCut, Dr. Oliver Georgi, and from Siemens, Head of Machine Tool Systems PLM, Volker Wolf. Oliver, I'd like to start with you. So from your perspective, what would you say are the most significant market requirements and challenges that you're currently navigating? And how do you manage to stay ahead of the rest?
For my mind, there are now two different kinds of challenges or requirements on the market. I think the first point is flexibility. So the market changes quite rapidly, and the companies have to be flexible to adapt to the changes of the market. And the other point is also digitalization, which is important to have the transformation and to have the efficiency in the production.
You just mentioned it there, digital transformation. It's also affecting or impacting VibroCut. What would you say, which opportunities have emerged from this profound shift, I think we can say?
Yeah, the digitalization is very important for all companies, not only in the area of administration, also in the area on the shop floor. And for VibroCut, primarily, we are a developer and seller of hardware products. But when you look at our VibroCut Ultrasonic, we have a sensor integrated in the system, and we have a control system, and therefore, of course, you need a software. And otherwise, the sensor provides usable data for the customer, and it's also a point to having a software, a digitalization to make it usable for the customer.
Now, you've obviously partnered up with Siemens. You're part of our partner ecosystem. How would you say has this partnership helped you navigate challenges on your digitalization journey, especially when it comes to the SINUMERIK that you're using?
Yeah, for our company, the partnership with Siemens was some kind of a milestone because all of our products have an interface to the machine tool, and the machine tool control is the SINUMERIK control, and therefore we can provide customers a better solution when we collaborate together. And also, besides the technology benefit, there's also a partner ecosystem from the Siemens company, and now we are part of the network and the partner ecosystem.
Now, he just mentioned it there, our partner ecosystem. Volker, why do we actually have this partner ecosystem? What does it do? What are the benefits?
I mean, from a Siemens strategy, we have a partner ecosystem because we think the challenges in the future cannot be done alone by Siemens. Siemens is a big company, but we need also partners in the ecosystem. We call it Accelerator, Siemens Accelerator. And here on our booth, in the background, you can see we have a lot of partners, including, of course, right now, VibroCut. And I think that's the way to master the challenges in the future.
Now, I believe you have your very own question to Oliver, so I'll hand this over to you.
Yeah. Oliver, you had a award the last, I think, few months ago. It was the Fabrik des Jahres, Factory of the Year Challenger Award, so to say. What is your internal and external feedback?
I think one important point is that such a prize is like an honor for all the employees, for all the hard work they did. But on the other side, it's also some kind of repetition, and we are more visible on the outside for other companies because we are a young company, we have a new technology, and everything when you want to get into the market, everything is also about reputation and that the technology, that people know the technology. And therefore the prize is one puzzle in the end, yeah?
Oliver, as a final question, what would you like to share, maybe with all of us, maybe with the entire industry even, about the future of manufacturing and also the essential role of companies such as yours or Siemens?
Yeah, I can continue the statement of Volker because when you have partners, nowadays the industry, it's quite complex, it's quite dynamic, and all companies need partners to be successful. So it's not useful to be alone on the market. So the companies has to collaborate together to get good solutions to solve problems of the customers, and therefore the ecosystem and the network between all companies is very important.
Thank you very much. And Volker, is there anything you would like to add at the end here?
I think it was a perfect match, so to say, and the final sentence is only with partners and as a team we can manage the challenges of the future.
That is exactly right, and I have nothing more to add. And this is really how close you can be in this partner ecosystem here at EMO 2025.